got a Krause Dominator. It's an 11 shank. It's got some nice big blades on it. This guy retired from farming. 21.5 inches on the blades. I know it's in its work clothes, but everything, the shanks have just a touch of play in them. Like I say, I think I got two of these. I think this is the one the guy retired. The other guy probably just upgraded to something different. But even the cover blades on this this was 23.5 inches on the back. That's the smooth, and then the rigid one's about 24 inches. So this thing's had very little use for what it is. And it looks to be in very good shape. It's just come in, it's been sitting here. It is in its work clothes, guys and gals. So you can see its original paint. It come out of Illinois originally. It does have cushion gangs on these back sets of blades, cushion gangs on the front blades, and everything is hydraulic. So I think you can hydraulic this up and down out of the way, hydraulic fold of everything. You can hydraulic these blades up so they're not cutting as hard if you're ripping. And it does have hydraulic on the front gangs as well. That hydraulic cylinder, that hydraulic cylinder, that hydraulic cylinder. You can change your pitch of these front blades as well. So this is a very versatile tool. This thing is nice for what it is. I got two of these that are nice. And yeah, very, very good machine. And just recently come in. It's going to be on our annual auction. I'd call it like 16 foot of working with, but I think that 18 means they're calling it 18 because that shank's outside, or even with that disc. But like I say, the main base on these isn't terrible. The main base on this is about 11 feet to the outside of that tire. Okay, so yeah, they're not terrible to get down the road. Doesn't look like to me.